Hello and welcome to our channel Health Haven. Today our video about probiotics and the best probiotic foods you can add to your diet for optimal gut health and overall well-being. Probiotics have become increasingly popular in recent years, with many people turning to fermented foods and supplements to improve their gut health. But what exactly are probiotics, and what are the best sources of these beneficial bacteria? In this video, we'll explore the science behind probiotics, their potential health benefits, and some of the best probiotic-rich foods you can incorporate into your diet. So, put your like and subscribe now to our channel to enjoy our journey, and let's get started. We all know that probiotics are live microorganisms that are beneficial to the human body when consumed in adequate amounts. They're typically found in fermented foods and supplements and can help restore the natural balance of bacteria in the gut. This is important for maintaining a healthy digestive system and overall health. Probiotics have also been shown to have a variety of health benefits, including improving digestion, boosting the immune system, and reducing the risk of certain diseases. Now, let's dive into some of the best probiotic foods available. First up, we have yogurt, which is probably the most popular probiotic food. It contains live cultures of beneficial bacteria, such as Lactobacillus acidophilus and Bifidobacterium lactis. These bacteria can help improve gut health and boost the immune system. Kefir is another fermented milk drink that is similar to yogurt but has a thinner consistency. It contains a variety of beneficial bacteria and yeasts and is often recommended for people with lactose intolerance. Miso is a traditional Japanese seasoning made from fermented soybeans. It's a good source of probiotics and is also rich in protein and other nutrients. Kombucha is a fermented tea that is made by adding a colony of bacteria and yeast to sweeten tea. It's popular in many health-conscious communities and is often touted for its probiotic properties. Pickles are cucumbers that have been soaked in a solution of vinegar and salt. When pickles are made using a traditional fermentation process, they can contain beneficial probiotic bacteria. Buttermilk is a fermented dairy product that's rich in probiotics and has a tangy flavor. It's often used in baking and cooking, and can also be enjoyed as a beverage. Finally, there's natto, a traditional Japanese dish made from fermented soybeans. It's an acquired taste for many people due to its strong flavor and sticky texture, but it's a good source of probiotics and other nutrients. It's important to note that not all probiotic foods provide the same benefits, and the specific strains and amounts of bacteria can vary widely between different products. This is why it's important to choose high-quality probiotic supplements or foods from reputable sources. Additionally, some probiotic foods may not be suitable for everyone, especially those with certain medical conditions or allergies. For example, people with weakened immune systems, short bowel syndrome, serious digestive disorders, allergies, or medical devices may need to avoid probiotics or use them with caution. It's always a good idea to talk to your healthcare provider before adding probiotic foods or supplements to your diet. In terms of side effects, probiotics are generally considered safe and well tolerated for most people. However, some people may experience mild digestive symptoms when they first start taking probiotics, such as gas, bloating, and diarrhea. These symptoms usually subside within a few days as the body adjusts to the new bacteria. More serious side effects are rare and typically only seen in people with weakened immune systems or certain medical conditions. So, there you have it. A rundown of some of the best probiotic foods you can add to your diet for optimal gut health and overall well-being. Incorporating probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, miso, kombucha, pickles, buttermilk, and natto into your diet can be a great way to get the beneficial bacteria your body needs. Remember to choose high-quality supplements and to talk to your healthcare provider if you have any concerns about whether probiotics are right for you. Thanks for tuning into our video. If you found this information helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. And as always, be sure to consult with your healthcare provider before making any changes to your diet or health routine. Let us know in the comments below which probiotic-rich foods you enjoy incorporating into your diet. See you in the next one.